Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to connect a pen drive to Xiaomi 14T and 14T Pro. In order to do this, you will need to use a simple converter. They are usually pretty cheap and easy to find. That converts the USB-C into the normal USB or USB-A, as most pen drives are actually can be connected by using the USB-A. So what you need to do is get one of these converters and then you can connect it directly into your device. There you go. Once you connect it, then you should be able to find the information that the device has been connected or the drive has been connected. And you can either just go to the notifications and explore in order to immediately open everything. So now you have access to the USB storage. You can also use Files app by Google. And then at the bottom in all storage you will find your pen drive as well. And in case you have any issues with the pen drive or any other drive not working, not connecting, then you can go to the settings. And if you open additional settings, then you need to scroll all the way down and you might need to enable OTG. In my case, it is disabled right now. I cannot do anything with it because I am actually connected and it works, so it's fine. But in your case, you might try to turn this option on, if you can, of course. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel and see you in my next videos. Bye.